Ndoda kuisa 2 cents dzangu pa post ya post kona Natasha Nyemba. Sorry my little sister, but let me answer you. Natasha ati, Anzi, don't get me wrong. I'm happy when people are making progress, but I have a genuine question when people post, guys, I bought a TV, Farai Oneni, or finally I bought a fridge, or they open the fridge just to show us groceries. What exactly are we celebrating? Nyemba, if I'm not mistaken, why don't post or grocery mwana wa mai? Second, fridge. Secondly, sweetheart, kana vanhu vachifarira maprogress avo, kana iwe usiri genuinely happy kuti munhu atenga TV, maybe it might look small for you, but to someone it means a lot. Fridge, to someone it means a lot. Kana vamwe maanazvo. Don't think munhu wese anazo. Anditika, chero munhu akatenga sneaker, chero musiye afare. Chero akatenga roloni, munhu ndiye anoziva kwaakabva. Let them happy. Kana iwe anzi, are we invited over for dinner? Nekuti waposta grocery. No, we are not inviting you for anything, sweetheart. Garaumba kwako. Let us enjoy our zia kunoku, because tinoziya kwatakabva ndisu. Hanzi, are we all coming over to watch that TV? You are not coming to watch my TV. Let them happy. Let people be happy. Nezvishoma zvavanenge vachifaririra. Vanhu ndo vanoziya kwavakabva, sweetheart, okay? You are not being invited to do anything to them. If you don't want to be happy about what they are happy for, you are welcome. You might not be happy. You cannot be happy. Sorry for my English. But siya vanhu vafarire. Chero munhu akafarira handbag ye R100. Munhu ndiye anoziya ma struggles. Arikuita afarire chinhu ichocho, sweetheart, okay? Clock it.
Ine hangu nemubvunzo kune vanhu vanoita zvinhu zvandida kutaura izvi. Kune vanhu vaya vanoti vakatenga fridge. Over hati, guys, congratulate me. I bought a fridge today. I bought a TV today. I want. Uda congratulate kwanichi as if to know one TV tese. Dude, how much zakungadzi congratulate kana mashamwari ako, because those are the people that you chew with. Isu zvinebasiri nisu. Like, don't get me wrong. Okay, cause it anonovhura fridge kukuradze kuti atenge grocery. I want to understand. What do you want us to do with your groceries? Oh, congratulations, I don't take a grocery. Honestly, I've tried doing that, but my guts could not allow me to do that. I felt like I was showing off. I don't know, is it just me? I feel like to show off. Like, tell me, what's the reason? What is the reason? TV, fridge, stove, mapoto, unless uri kuda kutengesa, maybe bo, but arungo zvitatenga mudziyo mumba zvine inesu. Like zvine inesu. Honestly, I'm getting pissed. Zvine inesu. Uri kundiradza grocery rombo kwenyu. Ndinodya grocery. I'm hungry. Ndite sei. Ndidi ne grocery kumba kwenyu. Huh? No jokes aside. Udondite sei. Tite sei. Ha! Is it just me? That feels weird. Guys, congratulate me. I bought a fridge in my house. I bought a TV in. Do we give it? I don't. You know what? Don't worry about my hair. I'm doing my hair today. Congratulate me, guys. Please, ladies. Oh my God, so much hate. Let me tell you something. Mabrijo. Hey, in the whole gang, I am so sorry for what I said earlier. If it came or if it sounded bad, but let me explain my point. Honestly, point yangu yange isiri kutombobva pa jealousy. You need to understand that, please. Ini ndachitongoti hangu, ini ndiri munhu wekuti ndakatorora more life iri bad, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Ndakatorora more life yekushaya, you understand? Totomboroni nguva dzekuti taitomborara nenzara padini. Tikada kutaura nyaya dzacho tinotoswerera. Anyway, so izvezvo Mwari vakatotiwanirawo nyasha, and I appreciate that. You know what? Inini hangu point yangu yange isina kunyanyotarisa kwese ikoko. Inini chikafu whether chikaita $50,000 nyangwe chikaita 10 cents. For me, zviri mu same category. Chingori chikafu. It's just food. Azvineni kuti chadhura kana kuti chakati ndo maonera ndoita zvinhu. And I thought it was just a everyday life necessity. You know, like zvinhu zvekuti chakatongo kura zviripo, whether mangai, whether ishomwe, whether ichi, whether my lobster towels or by the way, I love them. Sorry. And honey, it's not jealousy. Oh my God. You know, one thing I want to say, thank you, God. You know, it's andinamoya we God. Andinamoya we shine. Girl, clock it. If you've got a TV in your house, clock it. If you've got whatever, clock it. But my point is just like, do we really have to like open the fridge and say, guys, congratulate me? Nekuti ndatenga chikafu. That's my point. Ndikutoona opa inini kwandiri ndotofila itori show off iyoyo. Because I can't ndotoremerwa. One wamenshana kuti inini ndakatomboizvita. Honey, listen to me. There's no problem unyango ukatoenda ku restaurant ukatotora ma pictures ako uchizvidyira. Pane problem ndebe kuti congratulate me kuti ndatenga chikafu pakuvhura fridge. Ndo pandiri kuita inini kuti what? Do we really have to say maita soko matenga chikafu kumba kwenyu? I don't know, maybe I'm just saying it, but it doesn't sound right. Ukati, guys, let's do content with me, whatever. I just feel weird. Sorry, let me not even explain. I just feel weird. Guys, congratulate me on buying what. These are just, no. You know what I mean? Where the TV there goes, smart, what, they say is guys. It's just, inini zvitongori musemu category. Zvakatodaro hazvina basa kuti yadhura kana tiyaita sei. I'm sorry if I kind of like made you guys feel some type of shit. I'm so sorry, baby. Trust me. I do not have jealous. You, me and Bodera paneva mwana ngochitanzi yenyashi dzenyu kudi. Darling, you see what? This is a different comparison right now. This is a talent that we are talking about. Plus, andinakuya ndichiti guys, congratulate me ndogona kutamba. But chigaro chamakandipa sema fans angu, chigaro chamakandipa imimi ndo chandoti ayewa. Ndo chandofila kuti I'm a good dancer. I'm very good at what I do. And mabanziza. Saka ndimi makatondita sema kandipa maruva. Ndimi makandipa kundiramba nchitamba is because mururamba muchifarira zvandoita. So I don't really think it was really necessary to add. So ciao bitches. Sorry about that.